Today is Christmas party day.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la.
I'm so excited. I completely forgot I wanted to vlog this whole thing until my sister reminded me when we were on FaceTime. So first and foremost, we're gonna show the fit. Okay, so I really did want a better Christmas fit, but this is all we got. So we have these ears from Amazon. Don't hate, they were only $8. We have these little festive, not festive earrings, but they're gold, so they're cute. Kendra Scott necklace, this little poofy white dress, and then we have the shoes because we still want to be comfortable, and they have Mickeys on them. So today we had a super eventful day. Me and my friends from work, we went to Epcot, and I'm so glad, I'm so blessed I have friends from work. Like, they're not even my friends from work, they're my friends that I work with. So it's like my bestie. We went to Epcot, we did Guardian, did the Reflections of China, we did the whole world, you know, the world tour, is that what it's called? Whatever, sorry, I'm a Disney fan. Food, we test track, single rider, got on, got off, literally 5 minutes, wait. Like we didn't even wait, we just walked right on. Guardians, we got the song Conga, so I need 2 more songs. I need Everyone Wants to Rule the World, or is it Everybody Wants to Rule? Whatever. And I have the rest of them. We went to a bunch of different shops, it was super cute. We did Ratatouille, the wait was not long at all. Like we killed it today. Me and my bestie Holly are gonna go to the Christmas party. I can't even think. Our tickets were $180 a piece with the cast discount. We are going November 30th today, so tomorrow's December. Tomorrow is the same price, but I have to go meet her. We'll walk and talk. I'm expecting it to get really chilly because it's been really chilly lately, but I'm not gonna bring a jacket because I really feel like carrying it and I don't. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just lazy, I don't want to carry it. Our agenda, we really don't have much. Since we ride all the rides all the time, we really just want to hit like the holiday themed rides, which is going to be Space Mountain, Monsters, and Cloud Floor. There's Holly. There she is.
Hi, Holly.
And we are, we're just gonna do a lot. I'm excited. We're gonna do the parades. We're gonna do the fireworks at 10. I'm gonna try to film as much as I can. Driving there now. It's 5. What time is it? 5:07. We wanted to be at Magic Kingdom at 3, but we wanted to be at Magic Kingdom at 3. It's fine, it's whatever. I'm excited. This is my first ever party of Disney at all. Because since we work at the Halloween party, I saw the parade, I saw the fireworks. I was not really caring too much about that one. But holiday, we ready to go. But you went to the Halloween party. How would you recommend?
It was cool. If like you are randomly like in Disney World, like yeah, it's worth it. But like
Since we live here, it's like, yeah.
Like,
okay, we're gonna listen to Christmas music to get the vibes up. I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Okay, let's leave. Bye! Okay, vlog. We made. Oh. Okay, guys, we made it to the TTC.
A good spot of the TTC.
We did. We got really close up. So I'm excited that we don't have to ride the tram, and it'll be easy to find our car when we leave. Agenda: walk in, get her some ears. We're gonna take pics, and then we're gonna eat because I'm starving. Probably be time for the party to actually start and do all the party stuff. So maybe do you want to do? I'd say do Space first, but do you think everyone's gonna do Space first?
I don't know.
Because there's a Space Mountain overlay, like Christmas overlay. It's like super lit up, red lights, so I'm excited. Tomorrowland Speedway, nobody will want to do that.
We'll do Tomorrowland Speedway.
Yeah.
Like now that we said it out loud, everybody's gonna go to Tomorrowland Speedway.
Nobody go there.
Guys, Tomorrowland Speedway is terrible.
It's terrible, don't go. We're gonna go. Yeah, we'll figure it out. I heard all the lines, like the waits have been like really low, and like the highest wait is probably like Mine Train. Okay, we're gonna go. I'll update you if anything fun happens.
Bye.
Right now, nothing's happening. Bye. Hey guys, we're here. There's so many people here, and we're waiting to get on the ferry because we have to take the ferry because tell them why, Holly.
Because it dumps you where you need to go.
But yeah, we're about to go. It drops us right off at the spot where we need to get a wristband or whatever. Oh, time to go. Standing here for like 20 minutes. You can't take the monorail during the party because it doesn't put you where you need to be, and then like takes forever. There's Magic Kingdom. So beautiful, so gorgeous. Thank you. Run! Run, Holly! Quality of oh my god. It's being filmed on a toaster. Holly, we're actually not cold at all. We're sweating. We're sweating. It's not cold, guys, at all. It's so pretty. I wish my phone wasn't 5 pixels. Going in with the cutie little Christmas outfits. Holly getting her wristband. Oh, they're blue today. So pretty.
Here, Elsa blue.
Elsa blue. Other hand, sorry.
Now don't tug on this because they only tighten, okay?
Thank you.
There you go.
Have a great day. So fun. Thank you. Oh, that was so nice. When I was a park greeter, like for the Halloween party, I got to stand here and redirect traffic. It was great. Let's grab a map. Grab it in English. You know what I just realized? Once again, when I was a park greeter, I grabbed a bunch from the top right here and I wasn't looking. So I grabbed them in all different languages the whole time and handed them out to people. No. I thought I was helping. I never realized. Oh well. Hi girl, I see you. This is what I did.
Can you put good word for me? Tell them I did good this year. Running back side and kept that.
Okay guys, it's snowing. Oh, so cute. This is so cute. I'm excited. We're getting ornaments. I'm pretty sure we get complimentary ornaments. We do. That's what we're getting right now. I'll show you guys. Hello! Thank you! So adorable. Aren't they the cutest? And they're like high quality too.
Yeah, they're so cute.
They have a lot of fun things as you're entering the park, like a lot going on. Very, I don't know, it's very in your face, but I like it. Because it's like Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. And then once you exit, it's more chill. Right now we're on Market Street. How neat is that? I could never do that. I would fall really badly on my face. That's cool that they're dancing. Okay, so me and Holly are about to go get ears for Holly, take pics, get food, and then rock out. We're gonna look at all the different castle shows that are coming up. I think the first one's at 7:40, so we have plenty of time to go do things for the first castle show.
Are they all different?
Yeah, there's a lot. We'll look. Right now it's the Frozen Ever After show that comes on every single day at 6:15, whether it's a party day or a regular day. I took a step in mayonnaise that just squirted on my leg.
Everyone, hi! Hola! Come over here, King. Oh, my. Hola! You did this?
Oh, for my helpful little helper.
I wish you could see something. My phone camera's supposed to be better. Oh, there's Elsa and Kristoff and everyone. Okay, so right now we are getting Holly a pair of ears, trying to decide. There's some super cute ones. What do you think? Nothing screaming. Yes. Get that. These from Amazon for $8. Okay, so Holly wants this bucket hat and it has like ears on it, but we're not sure if it's like Amazon or if it's Disney. So we're gonna try to find it. I hope it's the one you're talking about because I know exactly the one you're talking about. So I keep trying to update you guys, but I really have nothing. We haven't done anything yet. Okay, guys, we're going in the ye old Christmas shop so that Holly can find these ears. We just took some pics, but I'm gonna force Holly to take some more.
It's not very good.
No, you ate. Just the people in the back did not. They are starving us. So we tried to go to Casey's to get some corn dog nuggets because we were starving. There was such a long line. Then we tried to go to Sleepy Hollow and it was closed. Dang. Not looking good, Holly. I'm a little, definitely not looking too hot. Let's leave. Wow, what if we really wanted to do Hall of Presidents? We can't, it's closed, Holly, it's tragic. Dang it, that was number one. and it's closed. Maybe we could get a big turkey leg. Okay guys, so we're gonna try to find some food. That's about it. I'm just starving. Holly's starving, I'm starving. We're going to Haunted Mansion. How did that happen? I don't know.
It seems as though the hot dog place is closed.
What cookies? Let's get cookies. Yay! Can I have 2, please? Thank you. Merry Christmas. Yay, Holly! Oh my gosh, the hot chocolate is amazing. Just hits the spot, you know? Yeah, and it's so chocolatey. Holly being such a good citizen. I'd like to get the winter milkshake like a little bit later in the day after we've had food, so I'm not just eating ice cream for dinner. Cookies and ice cream for dinner. Okay guys, so I just downed my hot chocolate. Holly sipped hers like an actual respectable
And
person.
then I started chugging it towards the end because I wanted it to be on.
Yeah. We're gonna get eggnog and apple cider later today too. I don't know where. Maybe, I think it's at like Columbia or Tortuga Tavern has something.
Yeah, one of them has apple cider, one of them has eggnog. I don't know which one has what.
I ate the cookie. I asked for 2, so got 2 cookies, so did Holly.
She just gave me 2. She was nice.
She just gave you 2?
Yeah.
Oh dang, that's sweet. And our only fault is that we don't have like a backpack.
Last of all, my lounge flight, it set me off with security. So
Yeah, and it took
like,
forever.
I'm not doing that.
Yeah. So I just brought this little bag that actually breaks, so I have to wear it on my shoulder. But each different quick service location has different cookies and drinks. Most of them are hot chocolate drinks, but yeah, I'm excited. But we just don't have a bag to carry all the cookies we're gonna get. But I'm gonna get multiple, lots and lots. Oh, it's a cookie. Hey, then I think it's Snickerdoodle. No, it literally is.
Girl, it's yours for the taking. Somebody just stepped on it.
The forbidden cookie. But Haunted Mansion, oh, that looks cool.
Yes, I love chocolate chip.
Right now we're getting hot. She said we made them this morning. Now let's be for real, Holly. This
I
is
made them this morning.
yes. So sweet. I'm excited though. I've never eaten at Columbia Harbor House, but this looks fabulous.
I want to get this weird Christmas cookie cake roll. It looks good, but also weird.
I want to get that peppermint brownie cookies and cream mix. This is nice. I've never been in like these different quick service locations.
This is like, if you go to Boston, this is like what every tavern looks like.
Really? That's so cool. Thank you. So I guess when they pick up shifts, this is what they're doing. That's cool. Hello. How are you? Thank you. Merry Christmas. Boston Light. So you feel so at home?
It dumps you out here. Third time.
No, yeah, we've been through here so many times. Oh, are we going back to Haunted Mansion? I'm weak, bro. We've been through Haunted Mansion so many times. It's begging us to come inside. Okay, guys, right now we're going to Casey's to get our food. If you want, we can eat it on the hub grass if you want. Oh, character greeting. I wonder who's greeting.
We should set up like each time.
So you don't have to ask every time.
Yeah, or tell.
Or maybe we're just dumb and it does say we can too. Nope.
That must be where Santa is, right? Or no?
Santa's right over there. The cool thing about the Christmas party is that all the princesses meet with their princes, and it's a lot of princesses you don't see here. Guys, it's snowing. It's so cute. We'll do pics later. We're getting our Casey's Corners and getting a merchandise bag so that we don't have to hold all our cookies. Okay, guys, I got Casey's Corner right here on the hub grass. She got a Coke and she's gonna eat some of her cookies, and we're going to a feast. The Frozen Spectacular is at 7:40, so we might wait for that. No, we might rate Space after this because there's an overlay.
Monsters in Blackville right there too.
Yeah, we could do that, and I feel like it would be way less of a wait, and maybe good.
It's right here too. Oh yeah.
Vibes are immaculate. Hopefully I don't get copyright.
Happiness, happiness.
Tomorrowland. We're gonna do Monsters Laugh floor. Oh, the lunching pad. That it has more cookies. I forget.
Yes, lunch
So
pad.
let's do Monsters Inc. and then we can do the cookies. Yeah.
To explain how we monsters got into this funny business.
It's supposed to be Christmas overlay. I'm excited.
You are now standing inside the premiere.
Take a big whiff. Look at the Christmas overlay, guys. That's so cute. Oh my god, that was my dream.
I know, right? Hey, you want to see me do another one? You're gonna go 2 for 2. Oh yeah. We're gonna talk to these humans that actually converted the tablecloth into a pair of shirts. It's genius. It's genius. I know we got pictures here, so that's fun. What are your names? Chrissy.
John.
Chrissy and John. John, are you okay? Did you just burp?
We did it.
Oh yeah? So what am I getting?
Not you, Wazowski. That guy.
Okay, so it's over. What did you think, Holly? Were
It
you?
was so funny.
Yeah, I thought I was a little giggle. I laughed. Funny. Now we're gonna head probably to the launching pad. Merry Christmas. We got apple cider and sugar cookies. Okay, let's try it. Oh, that's so good. Yeah, it's good. And all the cider or whatever is at the bottom. But we got green sugar cookies. After space, we'll come back through and grab more. Oh, is that the boy band? Oh, it's a DJ dance party. That's so fun. Go Holly. Go Holly. Go Holly. He was a dancer, guys. They're in the middle, like in the pit dancing. That's so fun. Oh, it's Judy. People mover. Why does no one want to ride the people mover? Hello. We're going on Space Mountain now. After our apple cider that we chugged and our cookies, we got a merchandise bag to carry around all of our cookies. So we're gonna fill it up. I want to fill it all up and bring some to Ariana. It says a 30-minute wait right now, but I hope it's not. I don't know. Normally when it says to right here, it says 70. So we watched a little bit of Mickey's celebration. It was cute. We got closer though, but we just didn't. Entertainment is cool. We should meet characters too, but I don't know. I just think it's cool just to vibe and walk around, but we're still doing all the things pretty much. Okay guys, we're going on another track I've never been on before. This is awesome. I'm excited. So basically, I don't know how this happened. It's almost 8:50. The party ends at 12, which means we have 3 hours left. And we have the parade and the fireworks to watch.
The parade is at 11, the fireworks are at 10. So what we are going to do is go to the parade after the fireworks. But after the parade is over, the party's pretty much over. So
Yeah, so I don't know how we did that.
but we're going to go for sure. The bathroom.
Yes.
Tomorrowland Speedway, Cosmic Rays, Run, Frontierland, Big Thunder Mountain, Milk with Santa,
And Red Velvet Waffle.
Red Velvet Waffle, middle of the hub for fireworks, and then parade.
Yeah, we got this. And then it'll be awesome and great. Bye. Guys, we're doing Tomorrowland Speedway. There's cookies right there. I think we're gonna just go say hey to our circus people. The tea party's having a rave. I think we're gonna pass on that one unless you really wanna go. Yeah, same. It's the longest wait I've ever waited for Tomorrowland Speedway.
It's like 5 minutes, I think.
Yeah. But I'm excited because it has like a little Christmas overlay. We can see it from Barnstormer and Dumbo, which is literally right there where we both work. Well guys, I'm just taking a leisure stroll around Tomorrowland Speedway. Oh, okay. Tron looks cool. Oh, it looks so cool. That's awesome. So neat. Holly driving the car. I'm glad we did it. That was cute. Maybe it is a snickerdoodle. Yes, it is. Oh my gosh. Yes. I love the holiday spirit. They're so sweet. Hi. Can I have two by any chance? You're the best. Oh my god, thanks. Have a great day. Too sweet. Have a great day. She said 3.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Okay, we got 3 cookies, big dubs. Hi.
Does it have a doodle?
Does it have a doodle? No doodles found. Wait, can we please go do the dance party for 2 seconds just to say we did it? Vampirina.
Okay, everybody grab your wings. Let's go on a magic carpet.
Vampirina Fancy Nancy. That is so cute.
Real quick. This ain't no meet greet, y'all. We came to sing and party tonight.
Oh, it's very slow. We came at the wrong time. It's not a dance party.
Usually I feel like I'm singing airlines. But tonight I'm gonna be on a magic carpet with y'all. Here we go.
Holly left. She left. Let's go. Let's go. No, it's not. Go, go, go. Oh my god. We gotta go. This is so cool to me. Okay, guys, time check. It's 9:17. I have no idea how it's 9:17. We got to go. Oh, I have to as well. I'm gonna get a red velvet ice cream sundae. There's no, because we can't take it on the ride.
Do you know what time they close?
Nope. Do you, customer? Are you stupid?
No. Obviously, I'm stupid. That's why I'm asking.
This hot chocolate's burning right down my throat. This, guys, is where we stand to close for fireworks, and it's awful.
This is where people harass you and abuse you?
What? Like, to cast members? No.
No.
You can never be mean to cast members. Wrong. They are. They're very mean.
I got hit by an ECB, and then the next day I got hit by a stroller. One was on purpose.
Guess which one?
You have to guess.
She had bruises. Drop it in the comments below. Which one do you think was on purpose? Okay. Oh my gosh. Why are there so many people? I am terrified.
Oh my god.
It's probably because we miss them as every single entertainment there is. It's fine. Our collection of cookies. We need so many more. That's pitiful. To do everything.
Get milk and cookies, waffle sundae, Haunted Mansion.
The Big Thunder Mountain. Thunder Mountain. Do you think this is people camping out for fireworks?
We paid $107 for this.
Yeah.
Go do some.
Fireworks, I'm gonna just...
I think we'll be able to see on Main Street.
Oh girl, I'm gonna be up in here. We're gonna be up in here. Because I didn't pay $180 just watch from Main Street. We'll get there eventually.
We need milk and cookies for our fireworks.
Genius! Okay, here's my plan. We go... Me whenever a chord's stuck in me. La 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 la. Okay, so we're gonna go to Big Thunder right now. Then we can go to Tortuga Tavern, ? Then hit Haunted Mansion, come back here for milk and cookies, then hit fireworks. It's not happening, but if we run, not run, but just pick up our pace a little, I have hope. We are on Big Thunder Mountain. It smells like poop. Thank you. So bad, yes. It's 9:33. Go to fireworks right after this because I need to see that show on the castle.
It was definitely the guy in the purple hat.
Goodbye, I'm excited. Guys, stop it. Holly, I stood up. finally got our eggnog. Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's try it. Okay. Buttercream gingerbread cookies. Okay, they're gingerbread. We're going to the back of the castle, so we need to get to the front of the castle. But our timing actually was really good. We'll have to get milk and cookies on the way to Haunted Mansion. And then we hit every ride, didn't we? We wanted to?
Yeah, I think so.
Yes!
Not Dumbo.
Oh, darn it! Shucks. But I'm glad we got our cookies and everything. The eggnog's fire. We made it, guys. I'm proud of us.
Greetings, everyone. Minnie's wonderful Christmas-time fireworks will light up the sky with holiday magic. Our seasonal celebration will begin in just a few minutes.
I'm so excited. Have I seen these fireworks multiple times in the sky? Yes, but not on the castle. So, very ecstatic. Okay, vlog, we just got milk and cookies for Santa. Oh, and a turkey leg. And I think it's starting to rain. But the fireworks show, what did you think? Were you underwhelmed, overwhelmed? I was I don't know, Sam, the equally amounts of wells. It was pretty good. I enjoyed it. It was 12 minutes. That's the perfect amount. So now we're camping out for fireworks. It's going to snow on Main Street. So,
Before it snows, I want to check it covered in snow. Oh.
and there's the castle. So I think we got a pretty good view. In real retrospect, that's how close we are. Castle's right there. We're doing pretty good. Go, Molly, go. All right, we're going to keep you updated. I'm going to try the milk and cookies for Santa. It was like $6. I don't listen to what they say on the price. I just swipe my card.
Me too.
I'm getting a whole lot of milk. I forgot what it was actually, so let's try it.
I think it's like a pudding.
And it's cookie dough on the bottom.
I think there's a lot of cream cheese. You like cream cheese?
Would I buy it again? Probably not. Just turkey leg. Holly's.
Christmas dinner.
It's pouring rain, and I just think it's so thoughtful that they're refilling our water like that so we don't have to leave for a spot.
I know.
Disney just thinks of it all.
Oh, yes. Oh.
Woo! Go Connor!
Woo.
Woo! Everyone's getting ready for the parade, y'all. We're ready. Best Christmas song ever. It's the Satan. We saw so many friends we knew today. Plan after this, Holly, we're running to Space Mountain, and then if we have time, we'll go to Storybook Circus.
I don't think we're going to.
made it over Space Mountain. Guys, made it to Space Mountain. My curls did not. We're running. Space Mountain twice in one day within the same 2 hours. I think that's a dub. It's 11:33. We have a half hour. We did pretty good. Whether we hit Storybook Circus or not, I don't know. Okay, plan. Space, Big Thunder, Circus, then Pickford the Castle, because they like start clearing you out, but you can stay 1 hour after park close. So they won't kick us from the castle. So this is a good setup. So we're having a great time. Right now we're about to literally walk onto space. Bye! We have 5 minutes to get to Thunder Mountain. We've hit every single land, which I'm so proud of us. Oh, except Storybook Circus. Ooh. We'll hit it tomorrow. That's fine. Hello, Peter Pan. Be trying to get to Big Thunder before we close. We're about to make it. We got 2 minutes.
It's my favorite ride. This is awesome. Yeah!
For any viewers watching it on their TV. This is gorgeous though. There's the castle. Beautiful, gorgeous. There's the moon. We love Disney World! Woo! I think we're stuck. Question mark. As we're not stuck. We're actually doing well. And we're moving.
Oh my God! What is that?
Okay. Oh, it's so dead. I love it. Absolutely love it. Go, Holly. This is what my hometown sounds like. Hey. Guys, we are heading out. I had a great time. Like, genuinely, this is so much fun. Yeah, I did. And we got to do everything we wanted to do. Twice, yeah. I probably, being genuinely honest, probably wouldn't pay for another party. Like, I would just go, I don't know. But it's super fun to see Disney at Christmas. It was a great first one-time experience.
Yeah. It went snow at the park, but it was raining.
Oh, you're right. We didn't get to experience the Main Street snow like I thought we were going to. But we did get to see it.
Yeah.
And that's all that matters. We got some great pics that I'll insert at the end of the video. Maybe. It's awesome. Guys, this is the end of the video. If you liked it, like and subscribe. If you want to follow Holly on socials, here's Holly's Instagram. And we saw a bunch of our friends like who work here. So it's cool to see them, and it's like cool that they know us outside of like yeah, literally. That's all from us. I hope you have a great night, a Merry Christmas, okay, real life. Bye!
I'm going to Disney World October 3rd, so if you want to come on down, come on down.